In this question, you're being asked to evaluate the function y equals 1/2 x minus 1 all squared. We can evaluate this function by doing a table of values and then graphing the function. So let's start with the table of values when x equals -2. -2 minus 1 more is -3. -3 squared is 9, and 9 times 1/2 is 4.5. -1 minus 1 more is -2. -2 squared is 4. 4 times 1/2 is 2. 0 minus 1 is -1. -1 squared is +1. 1 times 1/2 is 0.5. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 squared is 0. 0 times 1/2 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 squared is 1. 1 times 1/2 is 1/2. Now for x equals 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 squared is 4. 4 times 1/2 is 2. And lastly, when x equals 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 squared is 9. And 9 times 1/2 is 4.5. So now that we have our table of values, we can graph this function. So when x equals -2, y equals 4.5. When x equals -1, y equals 2. When x equals 0, y equals 0.5. When x equals 1, y is 0. And then back up 0.5, 2, and 4.5. Perfect. So we can see that this function forms a parabola, and therefore we can tell that this must be a quadratic function. We also know that it's a quadratic function because the highest power on x is a 2. So this function is quadratic. The shape of the graph is definitely a parabola, and the algebraic version of the function is definitely a power of 2. The highest power on x is definitely 2. So both of these things are true. Checking our answer, and we're good.